The 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 is here, and it's redefining what it means to be a modern full-size pickup. Dodge has stepped up its game this year, blending rugged power, bold style, and cutting-edge tech into one impressive package. Whether you're a long-time truck enthusiast or a first-time buyer, this truck demands your attention. Let's start with the design. The exterior is instantly recognizable. Yet the 2025 model brings a refined muscularity with sleeker lines, bolder grille, and sharper LED lighting all around. The new front fascia, combined with its aggressive stance and sculpted hood, gives the Ram 1500 a futuristic but unmistakably tough look. The deep amethyst and steel gray colors, among others, offer rich paint options that shine under any light, making the truck stand out both on and off road. Under the hood, Dodge offers multiple engine choices. The biggest update is the new twin-turbo Hurricane inline-6 engine replacing the HEMI V8, delivering more power with greater fuel efficiency. It pumps out up to 540 horsepower in the high-output variant, giving you all the muscle you need for towing, hauling, or just dominating the freeway. There's also a standard 3.6L V6 with e-torque mild hybrid tech for improved fuel economy. And yes, Dodge has confirmed a fully electric Ram 1500 REV model is coming later this year. When it comes to towing, the 2025 Ram 1500 continues to lead. With a max towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds and payload ratings reaching 2,300 pounds, this truck doesn't just look powerful, it is. The available air suspension system adjusts height for better aerodynamics and ride comfort. Whether you're on the highway or heading off-road, add in the trailer reverse steering control and a suite of towing cameras, and even the toughest trailer jobs become a lot easier. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most luxurious interiors in the segment. Dodge isn't just making trucks anymore, they're crafting mobile living spaces. High-quality materials like real wood, leather, and aluminum trim are standard on higher trims like the Limited and Tungsten. Heated and ventilated seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, and a 19-speaker clip audio system turn the cabin into a premium retreat. Tech lovers will appreciate the massive 14.5-inch touchscreen, paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 360-degree surround view camera, and integrated navigation. There's also a new passenger-side interactive screen, so your co-pilot can control music, navigation, or entertainment without distracting the driver. USB-C ports, a wireless charger, and full Alexa integration keep you connected and powered up wherever the road takes you. Safety is another strong point for the 2025 Ram 1500. Dodge includes advanced safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and even hands-free driving assist on designated highways. It's built with high-strength steel and crumple zones to keep you protected, whether you're commuting or crossing tough terrain. Off-roaders will love the Rebel TRX variants, which are built to conquer. Skid plates, electronic locking, rear differentials, Bilstein shocks, and 35-inch all-terrain tires give you confidence over rocks, sand, and mud. And with the new terrain management system, you can adjust drive modes for snow, sand, mud, rock, and more, optimizing performance in real time. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 doesn't just raise the bar, it is the bar. It balances brains and brawn in a way few trucks can. It's smarter, tougher, more efficient, and more luxurious than ever, whether you use your truck for work, play, or daily driving. This one delivers on every front. Thanks for watching AutoXperience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest trucks and SUVs. Let us know in the comments, would you go for the Hurricane engine or wait for the electric Ram? Catch you in the next one.